Hello, everyone. My name is Blade Ilse. I am an Asian industrial engineering student. Today, I am with Thayana
Hello, everyone.
and Neika Fidelia
Hello.
to present a project for the conceptualization of a mango juice company in Haiti. And also, we are going to show the actual use of an industrial tool to anticipate the most likely problems that may occur and avoid them by seeking for effective solutions. And on the practical case of one of the tools of continuous improvement, which exists in the trade of industrial engineer, the name of this tool is FMECA. Before we get to the main point, we would like to remind you what the FMECA tool is and how to implement it in a business enterprise. FMECA stands for failure modes, effects, and criticality analysis. The use of FMECA method is a great way to improve the quality of the products of a company. It helps continuously by identifying the problem in advance and looking for solutions for them. This will prevent the loss of time, money, and resources when a problem happens because there will be a solution for this problem in advance. Before starting a FMCA process, you must first know the system and its environment and then determine for what purpose the FMECA will be used, and subsequently to determine the means and associated responsibilities. Now, we are going to see the ways to implement the FMECA. Here are the steps for using the FMECA technique. Step 1, initializing. We constitute a working group of people from various fields to have several visions or points of view. And also we formalize the subject, the objectives, and the limits. Step 2, we analyze. Analyzing is realistically study the imaginable risk points known from experience and their consequences for the client, causes, consequences, effects. We also perform a functional analysis of the various functions of the product, process, and then. Step 3, we evaluate and prioritize the potential failures, decide to make action plans. And step 4, we find solutions. We find solutions to put in place to resolve the failure encountered, often during brainstorming sessions. Step 5, we track. In track, we analyze the proposed corrective solutions. And step 6, we apply by corrective solutions, validated during monitoring are applied. This is a very important step because we effectively correct the potential failures. And step 7, check the effectiveness of measures taken in the field, capitalize on the experience by achieving the study and database. In the following slides, you will see what the company consists and how the FMECA tools have been used in the enterprise.
Now, let's have an overview of the company. As we said before, MIFTC is a mango juice production company that uses machinery and automation to offer to its customers a quality organic mango juice as if it was homemade. Nowadays, more and more people around the world are rallying to the organic cause. And here in Haiti, people believe a lot in nutritional values and natural virtues of fruits and plants. That said, in MIFTC, we believe that organic products are the best products that could be offered in the market. In that case, our products will address people who love organic products, but in fact, everyone can drink the juice. But the first question you could ask us may be, why choose mango over all fruits? Let me tell you first some fun facts about mangoes. Mangoes have a quiet reputation. They are juicy, they are sweet, and they are super tasty. You can barely find someone who hates mango. Moreover, it is known all over the world as the king of all fruits. It is rich in beta-carotene, vitamin, nutrients, fibers, etc. Plus, 83% of a mango's weight is made up of water. In 2010, a research showed that we had 10 million of mango trees in Haiti. Also, mango is the third most exported commodity in the country in raw form without any transformation. Plus, there is a large variety of mangoes that even us Asians cannot distinguish ourselves. Not to mention that Asian people really love mangoes. In the summer months, we can see mangoes everywhere, all over the market, and then Asians eat delicious mangoes every day. Despite all this, what is surprising is that there is no company producing mango juice in Haiti. The mango market is little exploited and there are many mangoes that are wasted every year while there are many opportunities in this field. This is one of the advantages of the MIFT essay. In that case, it is a great opportunity to make Asian people rediscover mangoes by using our fresh local products to make delicious organic juices. To begin, we offer 4 types of juice to our customers: mango juice simple, mango and pineapple juice, mango and carrot juice, and mango juice with a mint touch. Let's talk about our process now. The fruits are sorted manually and washed thanks to a machine. Then they are sent to a peeling and extractor machine that extracts the juice from all fruits. Then all juices are stored separately in tanks. But for the mint leaves, they are dehydrated in a machine and then transformed into powder. We also use a water treatment machine to make sure the water we use is sterilized. Then we move to the step of mixing. Each product has its own production line. For each type of juice, we proceed in tanks for the mixing. When the mixture is ready, we use a pasteurizing machine to keep the juice longer because natural juices are easily perishable. We use the fast pasteurizing method, which consists in heating the fruit, the juice, for 10 to 30 seconds in 80 to 95 degrees Celsius, just to keep the nutritional values of the juice. However, it alters the vitamin C intake of the fruit a little. To remedy this, we therefore add vitamin C to our juices after this process. Then the mango juices are ready. We use 1 liter glass bottles that have been previously sterilized, and we fill them to the maximum and encapsulated them to prevent the air from alternating the taste of the juice. Depending on the weight of the fruit, which can vary from 150 grams to 300 grams, we need about 4 to 8 mangoes to make a liter mango juice. Afterwards, we proceed manually with a lot of care by putting the bottles of juice in packs of 12 in boxes ready to be sold. Now we are arrived at the main point of our subject, how we use the FMECA tool in our company.
First, there are 3 factors that should be considered when using the FMECA method. The first one is efficiency. Efficiency is the ability to rationally achieve good performance for a given activity or job, to optimize the means available or allocated to achieve a result. Using the FMECA tool, we can analyze the failures that are likely to occur in the process, know the causes, examine the effects and their criticality in order to make the system more productive and efficient. We have used this table to illustrate some of the most common problems. For example, a risk: machines can break down because lack of maintenance. Effect: production stop. Gravity: very critical. Means of prevention: establish a regular on-keep and maintenance program by referring to the manufacturer's instruction, lubrication, oil change, parts change. The second one is security. Preserving the health of consumers has become a major concern at the start of the millennium. The requirements in terms of sanitary quality and traceability, which appear not only in increasingly strict regulation, but also in quality standards or specification offered or imposed on producers, reflect the desire of consumers to know where or and when the food they eat has been produced. Because we believe in offering the best quality product to our customer, it is then essential to us at MIF SA to ensure not only the safety of our employees, but also of our customers, hence the usefulness of the FMEC tool. Let's visualize this security table. For example, a risk: contamination by insect or other foreign bodies. Cause: unhealthy premises, poor control of foreign bodies. Effect: bad image project by industry, certification not awarded. Gravity: very critical. Prevention mode: establishing a monitoring and control program for foreign bodies, use of a checklist, cleanliness of premises and facilities, walls, floors, doors, ceilings, etc. The last one is environmental factors. The aim of this method is to identify, assess, and prioritize the significant environmental impacts of an activity or a product throughout its life cycle in a systematic way, in the aim of determining these necessary actions in order of priority to reduce the assessed environmental impact. It is through this evaluation that the FMEC method constitutes a decision support tool which will allow the MIF SA to prevent pollution in its environment and remain ecological. Let's take a look at this table. For example, a risk: gas emission by machines. Environmental aspect: malfunction of machinery. Environmental impact: air pollution. Gravity: critical. Reduction of impacts: reliable machine behavior. Second one, plastic bottling. Environmental aspect: use of plastic packaging. Environmental impact: environmental pollution. Gravity: critical. Reduction of impacts: use of glass packaging.
To summarize, we can say that mango is an excellent product, which is little exploited in Haiti, and that can lead to great opportunities. By using the FMEC tool, the MIF has used the local and fresh product to provide an excellent choice in terms of quality, and its goal was to do it as if it was homemade. It was a really good pleasure to have prepared this conceptual project, and we discovered the useful of the FMEC tool that has helped to expect problems and constraints and to prepare effective solutions to solve them. We certainly know that it is impossible to predict all the problems, but as long as we can identify some of them and avoid them, it is better. And the FMEC method is here for this. We hope that you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.